Mweri mwe kuma gavana wa Nairobi Mike Sonko kwekiranire ngirimiti na ministeri ya utamburukia wa mahinya akeneana mamwe ma mawira ma kaunti ya Nairobi kuri thirikari nene. Ndugamano ni yumiriti gatagati ga Sonko na ruhonge ruria rwamurirwo kuramata mahinya maya Nairobi Metropolitan Services. Riu Sonko kuhitukira mwaria wake Ben Mudu akianirira kwirisho kuona uguo arenda mutaratara ucio uteanirio.
He's actually indeed started the process of terminating the contractual engagement that the Nairobi City County government has with the national government through the deed of transfer that was signed on the 15th of February 2020.
Gitumi kinene gia Sonko guthii igoti-ini kurugamia mutaratara uyu ni kiriugite kuri na gikundi kia andu makoretwo makihuthira mweke uyu kumunyururia itemi-ini riao kwiguna kiuteti. Undu uria ugitio hotomete itanya ria ngirimiti ino na riria riari gukinyaniria utungata mwega kuri muingi wa kaunti ya Nairobi.
What we are witnessing here is a case of a few individuals within the national government who chose to hijack the process and abuse the goodwill that the president and the governor demonstrated, and have gone ahead to begin shenanigans that are not either guided by the law, and eventually when responsibility will be borne, like the case I have highlighted of the bank accounts. When the Auditor General ultimately flags the county government bank accounts of Nairobi County, believe you me, the NMS will never feature anywhere. The responsibility will be on the governor.
Kihumo kia ndugamano ino kiumanite na ikinya ria honge igiri cia kaunti kurega kuneana maratathi ma bata niguo guteithiriria uthamia wa mahinya maya kuri thirikari nene. Kuhitukira irua ria ministeri ya kigina muthenya wa ira, honge ici riu ciathitwo kuneana maratathi maya gugikinyiria muthenya wa mwambiririo kiumia giukite. Wona akorwo ti uguo uthamia wa mahinya macio tabanio hatari maratathi maya. Riri mwena-ini wake gavana Sonko hetite kwaga kuneana maratathi macio akiuga ni andikithitie cira gukanja mutaratara uyu thutha wa kwirisho kuo.
With the support of the national government and also in areas like infrastructure that require massive investments, the governor's feel was that it will be necessary to get the support of the national government to enhance investment and also critical services to be offered to wananchi. What we have is a piece of paper, a contract that was signed, which ultimately created what we call the Nairobi Metropolitan Services. This is an institution that is neither founded in law, neither in any statute or in the Constitution. The Nairobi City County government is established by the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya. So we cannot begin to appear that a deed that was signed on the 25th of February is supreme to the Constitution.
Ndugamano ino riu igikuruhanio na kuhotoma kwa motungata kaunti-ini kuona ruhonge rwa Nairobi Metropolitan rutiri rwahota kwambiriria wira na thengia wa guthukirwo wira ucio mweri umwe muhituku. Ngirimiti no honge inya iria nicio gima wa mwiri, ukui uruti wira wa muingi undu umwe na wa mibango nicio ciathamirio kuma thirikari ya kaunti nginya kuri thirikari nene. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.
Thank you.